welcome to the 7-Day Prayer Challenge. I'm Allie from Allie's Crafts, and I'm so excited that you're here this week. So, this has been something that's been on my head and my heart for months and months and months, and I'm so excited to bring it out into the world with you. So for the next 7 days, you'll be getting an email every day from me with the free printables and a video to kind of walk you through what the prayer challenge is for that day. We'll also have a couple little dig deeper links and things like that so you can really dig a little bit deeper into what the challenge is for that day. Some articles and things like that that I found online that I really liked and that really spoke to me. Be sure to tag me on Instagram if you are participating in this challenge. Be sure to share this with your friends, especially if they need some heart-changing prayer as well. And just let me know that you're excited. I'm so excited to go on this journey with you.